Not all the fraud news is completely negative right now, however. There are some useful hints and assistance beginning to pop up all over the place to aid individuals and companies. Elaine wanted to take a minute to discuss one of these helpful options.
We have found a great new tool and are really excited about it. It's called myidscore.com. You'll see it in all the media right now, and it's as simple as going in and putting your information. At that point you can choose to opt out or not opt out, so that they either can share your information for statistical purposes. It doesn't go anywhere bad, but I chose to opt out when I did it. You just put in your name, your address, your birth date, your just basic information. You can put in your social security number. You can do that or not. You have that choice. So that's a good thing. I did not put it in. I just don't trust folks that much, even though I think this is a wonderful, valid source. It then gives you your risk of having your identity stolen. So mine was a low 240 out of 1,000. I've talked to other people who have had 500 or 700 plus. So if you're in a high range, then you know I've got way too much information out there. I need to be reeling it in and be more careful. Great tool to use with your customers.
Stay safe out there. And as always, thanks for watching. I'm Margot Ward with the Oklahoma Bankers Association, where we make bankers better.